downtown Port Huron, heading over to the boat show. I don't think I said that right. I think it's called like Boat the Blue, the antique boat show or something. There's a ton of people down here actually. Still kind of far away from where it begins, I think, but I'm gonna start down here for a minute.
Cheerful, funny, and it was like, poor girl. But her
Oh, they're out here painting now. Hello. You're doing a nice job.
What's going on?
Yeah, it looks really nice. Getting hot, guys. Those are some of the boat rides that are going on. Pretty sure I saw that they are giving away free boat rides today to people. The names are always so fun. Oh, that must have been that one. Always love the names. Gotta find my favorite one of the day.
He's gone. He takes his leg out, stops her, just like that. My wife, I can't have the dog will run over.
I'm used to looking at
He was like,
about to eat anything but a can, so...
you know how to stop him. Here's your voice.
Right away.
Look how pretty.
Guy was well, that's stinking.
Yeah, ours was
Documentation of the boat ownership and everything. I said, yeah, there's this, it's like a Carfax thing for boats. Yeah, and he said, here's what you can do. You can go on there. He said, I'll reimburse you for it. I said,
Some are for sale, you see.
you do it.
Most of these ones I've seen I don't think are for sale. I saw some down there that are for sale.
probably work for the company. The company
Party tea coming up. Stay back here for a second. Get out of that one. It's for sale ones. Check those out. I got a bunch of them down here. That's pretty. So like I was saying earlier, a lot of these are crisp crafts, which I believe started in Algonac and is world known for a lot of these boats. Got some other ones, obviously. This one. Hello.
Take a tour of this one.
I can?
It's
A tour?
Because, yes, I say you can.
Awesome. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm excited. Appreciate it. Oh my gosh, how nice. How fun. Look at this. Oh my gosh. They're so pretty. Wow. It's so amazing how they keep these so beautiful. Look at this one. How cool, you guys. They've got such cool boats down here. This one's beautiful. Oh, look at that. Wow, that's incredible. I want to be respectful and not go through too much, but obviously got some stuff down there to check out. It's amazing. Maybe I should pop down there real quick. Aw, how cool, you guys. It's such a cool little boat. Okay, now I gotta make the safe thing without dropping my phone. Hello. You've got a beautiful boat too. You're welcome. Such a beautiful boat. Such a beautiful boat, you guys. Yeah, that's really incredible. I'm not sure whose it is, but incredible. Thank you for letting me tour it. You're from Lake Leelanau?
Actually, no.
Okay. The boat is?
That's my mailing address.
Okay.
The boat is from Detroit.
Cool.
Yeah, I bring
I
it
got
up
you.
here for the show.
I get it. Isn't Lake Leelanau up in the UP? Okay. Okay.
It's over there,
I got you.
on the other side of the road. You've been filming the whole time?
Pardon me? I have been.
I
Yep.
said, I hope she's going down the dock. Walk up in and
Yeah.
filming.
Pardon me?
Filming, paying attention to this and walk off
Yeah.
the end of the dock.
Fortunately, I've got some skills, but yeah.
That's
Yep.
good. Some skills.
Yeah. You know, I started a while back, and then I started growing my YouTube and everything. So I can actually fly a drone and stuff too. I haven't done it recently, but
Yeah.
I was commercially, certified for it. So
Drone operation?
Yeah.
I hired a guy last year that was or the year before, that was, they had flying drones around. I said, I'd like to hire you to film my boat. He said, okay. So we take it out on the lake, and he stood on the corner over there and filmed it. We just did some donuts. It was promotional. You know. And
Do I have the wrong correct?
he was so high. I told him to come down, sit down at the boat, you know, and hover around the boat. He was afraid, I guess, of going into the water because the closest shot he got had to be 200 feet above the boat.
Oh man.
And I paid him, you know.
Yeah.
It wasn't what I wanted.
He wasn't able to zoom in or anything?
No, he just kind of just followed the boat around and stayed up 200 feet. I think he was afraid of going too far and losing signal or...
There's so many different regulations that go into it too, and like you're saying about losing signal and everything, but also there's a lot of different people that have different skills. And then too, just being honest about whether you're like a personal flyer or commercial.
Right.
Because technically you're supposed to be certified by the FAA.
I want my money back.
Yeah, so if you ever needs a good one, I mean, I do know some people in town.
Yeah.
I haven't been flying mine lately, but I don't know. I hope that you...
I did that to advertise the boat because I wanted to sell it.
Okay.
But now I've come to my senses.
Yeah, it's a beautiful boat. Why would you sell it, right? Awesome. Well, it was so nice meeting you. Thank you for letting me tour your boat. I hope you come back next year and everything.
Did you vote?
You know, tell me how it works.
Go up there.
Where's the voting? Up there?
Right
Okay.
in Isabella.
Okay,
There
perfect.
are people walking around with the yellow shirts. You might see if they have pieces of paper. There's probably a ballot.
Okay, awesome. I'm going to go find them and I'll put Isabella on the sheet.
Appreciate it.
Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys. Have a great day. See you guys, I meet so many people. I got to tour that boat. That was fun. Let's go see what else I got. I gotta go find someone. I got a boat now. I committed to it. This one's beautiful too. Okay, let's go find the thing. I'm committed to that now.
No, they'll come right over. No, they'll follow you right in there. They'll follow you. So we pull up the
Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so cool.
That's as long as over here today. And something new.
So you guys, you see there's a lot of different boats down here, ton of people. I saw on Facebook that was like an old Mustang converted into a boat and it was driving up and down the river. It was, I don't know where it is, I really want to find it. So hopefully we find it quickly because I kind of have bad anxiety with all these people down here. But I'm going to do a quick little walkthrough, just stay committed.
You know, and yours was.
No, I forget it.
This is another cute one.
All right, some Motown for you.
What is over here?
No, I think when it's closed, it's done.
Ching, ching, ching. Ching, ching, ching. Ching, ching, ching. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Wow. Interesting. Hello.
I'm just leaving you. You treated me mean, yeah. Oh, you treated me cruel. She
What
said,
type of band they got going on over there? Okay, I don't think it's as crowded over here. Perfect. I saw this one earlier on my walk down here. This one's really cool.
Very nice.
Oh, hey, Richard. I got to get some more copies. I was actually working on rebranding it. I'm debating whether I'm just going to order a couple more copies before I do the finished rebrand or not. I think I probably should because fall's coming on quickly. Let's be honest, winter too. But there's no free... I'm lying. There is a free library down here, and I should be handing it to people if I was brave enough. I've had this yacht in town for a few days or weeks. Said it was the Andiamo boat or yacht. Try to get a photo from over here or video. It's gotta be a good 100 feet, probably more than that. All the way there. Yeah, it's pretty incredible yacht. Alright guys, we'll go to the end of the thing. Okay, cool. There's still a lot of people over here, but not as many, so maybe I could shake off some of my anxiety and tell you a little bit more about what's going on, and then, I don't know, we'll see if I'm gonna go back through. But basically, this is an annual boat show that goes on in downtown Port Huron, down here by the marina, and they bring in antique boats. A lot of them are Chris Crafts, and they're these wooden boats that are pretty incredible. They're classic boats, and I don't know tons about Chris Craft, but I do know that it was started in Algonac or Clay Township, and yeah, that's that. Oops, I'm not really paying attention. You can tell I don't really want to come down and go live again. And I'll be honest, I didn't expect as many people to be down here. It's not that warm. Glad I got down here. Looks like there's some type of event going on down here, so I'm gonna flip around and show you guys. Don't know if it's for dogs or kids or what, but some type of setup that they're doing later. Probably dogs. Maybe it's a thing for kids and they just go through that. Must be. Oh gosh, guys. I'm definitely a blonde sometimes. Okay, you guys, I don't want to admit I am a blonde, definitely sometimes, more often than not, but I'm also very intelligent. So, but yeah, that's why I like to do things like get out here and get walks, just enjoy the fresh air, shake off anxiety. I do really like people, and I used to be a big extrovert, but kind of lately I just like, you know, chilling, peace while I get older. But okay, let's go down there, hopefully meet a few people. I might turn off the camera, like I said, because I'm a little shy, but I want to show you guys a little bit more, and that's that. Alright, well actually I might switch over to YouTube. You know, I did this time, see what I can find on that one. My live's been doing pretty good over there, but